What's up, riders? Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. If you're looking for a cruiser that makes a statement without saying a word, pay attention. The 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom takes the blacked-out aesthetic to a whole new level, and it's turning heads everywhere. Let's dive into what makes this bike special. Design. The Phantom lives up to its name with a sinister, all-black treatment that's absolutely striking. Every component from the engine cases to the exhaust pipes gets the matte black finish, creating a cohesive, stealthy look. Black spoked wheels, blacked-out controls, and even black fasteners show Honda's attention to detail. This isn't just a bike, it's rolling artwork. Performance. Underneath the dark exterior sits the same proven 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin that Shadow riders trust. It produces smooth, predictable power with plenty of low-end torque for confident city riding and relaxed highway cruising. The low 25-inch seat height makes flat footing easy for most riders, building confidence at stops. The lightweight chassis and low center of gravity create surprisingly nimble handling. 5-speed transmission keeps things simple and effective, while fuel injection ensures reliable performance in any weather. Features and technology. Honda keeps the Phantom focused on what matters. Standard ABS provides peace of mind in emergency stops, while the shaft drive eliminates chain maintenance headaches. The minimalist gauge cluster displays essential information without cluttering the clean aesthetic. LED taillight adds modern safety, and the overall package weighs in light enough for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. Conclusion. The 2026 Shadow Phantom delivers attitude and style in a package that's incredibly easy to live with. It's the perfect canvas for your personal touches, too. What would you customize first? Drop your ideas in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, share with your writing community, and subscribe for more content. Ride safe out there.